Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Iman's Mom Kitchen. Today my mom is going to make a very delicious recipe, that is tikka boti. Tikka boti is very delicious and it is most probably made on the third day of Eid. I hope you will love this recipe as this is a Eid special recipe. Mostly people make it on the third day. So without any delay, let's start our recipe. But before I start my recipe, do subscribe my channel, like it and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the new notifications from my side. So let's begin. Over here you can see the ingredients on the right side on the desktop. So first of all, we have taken a bowl and then we're gonna add the yogurt in it, and later on we're gonna put the garlic and ginger paste, that's about 2 tablespoons. After adding the garlic and ginger paste, you're gonna add the green chili paste, that is 1 tablespoon. After adding the green chili paste, you're gonna add the coriander powder, that should be crushed and dried, that is about 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna have the cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon. After adding the cumin seeds, you can also add the tikka masala, that we are gonna add the full 1 packet, that is small. After adding the tikka masala, we're gonna add the meat tenderizer, that is about 1 tablespoon. Don't put more than 1 tablespoon, that can affect your recipe. Now after adding the tenderizer, we are going to put the cooking oil, that is almost about 2 tablespoons. Adding the oil, mix the mixture well, and later on you're gonna add the vinegar and 3 tablespoons salt in the meat and mix well, and after that you're gonna watch it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then after that you're gonna add the meat into the mixture and mix it well using your hands. After mixing the meat into the mixture, you're gonna cover it with a cling paper and keep it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 hours. You can also put it for an overnight. After 3 to 5 hours, remove the cling paper from the bowl, and later on you're gonna use the sievers, and then you're gonna thread the mutton cubes on the skewer. So over here we have just thread all the mutton cubes on the skewers. So now first of all we are gonna preheat a grill, and we have made this tikka boti on the roof. You can make it anywhere you want. So my father just put the coils and then he put the fire. He made the fire from the woods and coils, and then we put the seek on it, and you are gonna flip it after 2 to 3 minutes occasionally, and then you're gonna apply some oil on it and again gonna put it on the grill and cook it for about 2 or 1 minute. Over here the tikka boti is ready. Do try it in your home, and it looks so crispy and yummy, and it's very spicy, and it is the most special like recipe for the Eid. Do try it in home and tell us in the comments, and do follow us on the Instagram, Facebook. Then Allah Hafiz.